Hello everyone, welcome to another video of picoCTF challenge. In this video, I am going to solve a problem named Glory of the Garden. So here's a file given named garden and I have downloaded it already. So let's check out the hint. It says to use a hex editor or something like that. So now I'm going to show you all two methods of solving this problem. Firstly, I'm going to my terminal and going to my folder where the garden.jpg image is stored. Now my task will start with hexedit. I have already installed it before, so let's check it. Garden.jpg. So here you can see the hex file, but this is too large, so I'm just closing my hex edit and I'm using the xsd command for this file to check if there is anything interesting or not. So yeah, you can see the hex file is too large, but there is something interesting on the decoded part of this file. You see, here is a flag picoCTF, then something within the curly braces. That's my desired flag. So it's one of the solution where I'm getting the flag, but there is one more. There's website named Forensic Magnifier through which you can actually check so many files by different types of components. If you play around with these components, you will get to know a lot about it. So I'm going to open a file, my garden.jpg, and then checking if there is anything interesting or not. As we already know the flags, so it might not be interesting to you all, but as a newbie, when using this magnifier or clone detection, everything, you will get to know a lot of things. So I'm seeing if there is anything interesting or not. So error level, you see the image is changing. Noise analysis, the image is changing because in encrypted version there might be various types of messages hidden within this type of images. So you have to play around with different types of components of this software. So I'm going to check the metadata now. So no metadata is found. Geotags, nothing is found. Thumbnail analysis, there is nothing found. Now the main part, the most interesting part, JPEG analysis and string extraction. In JPEG analysis, you will find nothing because it doesn't show anything interesting, no flags or nothing. So the last part is string extraction. Let's check. So it's again that big file, and as we already know, there is something at the end of this file, so I'm not wasting my time checking all the lines. But if you're going to use it for the first time, you are going to check all the single lines if you find any flag or not, and then detect where the line is. So I'm going to the end of this file, as I already know there is flag at the end of this file. So yeah, here you go. Here is a flag with picoCTF more than blah blah blah, and I'm going to copy it and pasting it in my answer zone. Let's check. Submit the flag. Alright, my answer is correct. I earned points, and that's the end of my fourth challenge, and it was super duper easy.